Hey there, Lammies! Welcome to another Animal of the Day video. Before we get started, remember, this week is Spirit Week, and today is Crazy Hat Day or Crazy Hair Day, whichever you want to do. I'd love to see some of your crazy hats or crazy hairdos on either the Lambs Class Facebook page or the Lambs Class email. I have my goofy hat on. How fun is that? All right, let's get started. All right, time for our Animal of the Day. Yesterday, we learned all about the angelfish. We learned that there's 74 different kinds of angelfish on the planet. We also learned that they come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We also learned that when the mommy lays her eggs, she leaves them alone and they drift all the way to another coral reef where the babies hatch and are basically all on their own. So yesterday, I told you that our animal for today had his very own song. It goes a little something like this. Sits in the old gum tree, Mary, Mary, king of the bushes, he laugh. Kookaburra! If you said Kookaburra, you got it. Today we are learning all about the Kookaburra. Let's all sing his song together. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, Mary, Mary, king of the bushes, he laugh. Kookaburra laugh, Kookaburra, how great your life must be. All right, let's see what there is to learn about the Kookaburra. The Kookaburra is the largest bird of the kingfisher family, and he'll eat almost anything. The Kookaburra watches from its perch for any small creature that might make a tasty meal. It does not usually hunt over water for fish. Preying on a variety of other animals that some humans might think of as pests, kookaburras are very welcome in neighborhoods. Like all of our other animals this week, the kookaburra comes from an egg. Let's find out how the mommy lays the egg and where they nest and what happens when the egg hatches. The kookaburra nests in hollow trees. So instead of finding like a nest on top of a branch like we would with most birds, they actually build their nest inside of trees. Have you ever seen like a hole in a tree where an owl might live? It's kind of the same thing. The mommy kookaburra will lay 2 to 3 eggs. Once the baby kookaburras have hatched, they need to be with their mom and dad for several months. A lot of the times with kookaburras, the families will actually stay together even after the baby kookaburras grow up. The mommy kookaburra will start to lay more eggs and those babies will help her take care of them. How cool is that? Another animal that works as a team. All right, let's talk about the kookaburra's habitat. There's that vocabulary word again. We keep hearing that one a lot, don't we? There are 4 kinds of kookaburra in the world. There's the laughing kookaburra, the spangled kookaburra, the rufous-bellied kookaburra, and the kookaburra I'm about to talk about. For the most part, we will be talking about the ones that live in Australia, so the laughing kookaburra and this next one. The blue-winged kookaburra, that one's only found in Queensland, Australia, while the other kind of kookaburra is found in other parts of Australia. The kookaburra prefers to live in small, leafy trees. So what does the kookaburra eat and how does it get its food? Let's find out. The kookaburra likes to hunt during the day, so he's a day animal. He sleeps at night and does everything else during the day, so he's not nocturnal like some of our other animals. Kookaburras like to eat insects, snakes, crabs, rodents, and even other birds. Do you guys want to know what a kookaburra sounds like? Okay, hang on. Did I make you guys laugh? A kookaburra's call actually sounds a lot like a laugh. Here, listen. Let's learn some fun facts about our friend, the kookaburra. The kookaburra is also known as the laughing bird because his call sounds so much like a laugh. The kookaburra is the largest of his kind, which is the kingfishers, and he's only found in Australia. The kookaburra can mimic unusual sounds like a steam whistle. A kookaburra can get to be about as big as 1.5 feet. So that's about 1 foot, so maybe about that tall. That's a pretty big bird. Wasn't it so much fun learning about the kookaburra? I liked learning that kookaburra families will sometimes stay together and work as a team to help the new babies that come into a family. I also liked learning that he's called the laughing bird because his call sounds a lot like a laugh. What was your favorite thing that you learned? In fact, you can tell me 3 things you learned at the Lambs Class email, or you can post it on the Lambs Class Facebook page. Our animal for tomorrow is a really fun one. We've actually learned all about him with our zoophonics. Do you guys remember our friend that goes with letter P? P? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.